Hi, my name is Tony Avello, and I'm the Public Information Officer for the Coconut Creek Police Department. Today I want to talk to you about crime prevention and the holidays. Residents need to take extra measures in protecting their home from the bad guys. Every holiday season, we notice an uptrend in bad guys trying to victimize residents by entering into their home and taking their holiday gifts. What I'd like for you to do is to think about crime prevention during this holiday season. Think of a triangle, our crime prevention triangle. And what our crime prevention triangle tells us is that on one side of the triangle we have the desire of the bad guy to commit the crime. The desire could be a number of different things. But the desire of the bad guy, you as a resident have no control over. The second side of our triangle is the talent of the bad guy to commit the crime. Bad guys have various talents to commit crimes, and like the desire of the bad guy, the talent of the bad guy, you do not have any control over. Our third and final leg of the triangle is opportunity. The opportunity for the bad guy to commit the crime. That is something you as a resident have a lot of control over. So let's talk about the holiday season and securing your items so the bad guys don't get your items. During the holiday season, burglars look to enter residences to take holiday gifts. You need to take extra measures in order to make your home more safe. The number one entry point for bad guys entering into homes is through the sliding glass door. You need to lock your sliding glass door, number one. Number two, you need to make an enhancement to the existing locking mechanism. Some of you may already have pins that are placed within the sliding glass door in order to enhance the existing lock. Some of you might even have a wooden doll that is placed in the track of the sliding glass door in order to prevent the door from opening. You need to make sure that you have these enhancements to your sliding glass doors. Bad guys commonly lift the sliding glass door off its track and push it along the track in order to get traction to open the door and they make entry into the home. By placing the doll in the track, you limit the opportunity for the bad guy to commit the crime. Our criminal intelligence tells us that oftentimes bad guys will knock on the front door to see if you're home. If there's no answer, perhaps they will try the front door, and if it's unlocked, walk right in and remove gifts. And if no answer, they will go to the rear of the residence and try to get in through the sliding glass door. These are some of the ways that bad guys try to victimize us through the holidays. What I ask you to do is to take those little extra measures in order to make you and your family more safe. This has been a crime prevention message from the Coconut Creek Police Department. Have a nice day.